You are staring at a photo you just posted on your phone. The likes are rolling in. It feels like a harmless digital scrapbook where you keep your memories safe. But the real answer is far stranger. That device isn't a scrapbook at all. It is a vault with a single invisible door. Are you sure you know who holds the key? Imagine a creator who gets a direct message. It looks incredibly official. It says her account violated copyright rules and will be permanently deleted in 24 hours. Panic sets in immediately. She clicks the appeal link provided in the message to save her life's work. It takes her to a login screen that looks exactly like the real app. She types her username and password. 10 minutes later, her screen goes blank. She is logged out. Her password is changed. Her recovery email is gone. Years of memories and work vanished in the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee. How did this happen so fast? The attacker didn't write complex code to break into the servers. They didn't smash through a digital firewall. They just asked her to politely open the door. This is called credential phishing. Think of it like a counterfeit storefront built overnight on your street. It has the right logo, the right paint colors, and the right uniforms. You walk in and hand the clerk your house keys. The clerk takes your keys, runs out the back door, and drives straight to your actual house. By the time you realize the store is fake, they are already inside your home. Hackers rely on human biology, not computer science. Dr. Zenaida Benenson, a researcher at Friedrich Alexander University, studies why we fall for these traps. Her research shows that when a message creates a sense of urgency or fear, our brains bypass logical processing. We react first and think later. We just want to fix the problem to make the anxiety stop. Do you ever pause to check the exact web address when you are panicking? But you can stop this completely. You can build a second door. In cybersecurity, this is called multi-factor authentication. Most people just call it MFA. Imagine you gave your house key to that fake storefront clerk. The clerk runs to your house and puts the key in the door. The lock turns. But then a heavy steel gate drops down from the ceiling. A message pops up on your phone asking if you are trying to go inside. Since you are still at the fake store, you hit no. The attacker is locked out, even though they have the right key. This isn't just a theory. A joint study between Google and the University of California, Berkeley, tracked how accounts are hijacked on a massive scale. They found that phishing was the absolute most reliable and dangerous method on the entire internet. Yet, it has a fatal, simple weakness. Alex Weinert, the director of identity security at Microsoft, analyzed millions of real-world attacks. His team discovered that simply turning on MFA blocks 99.9% of automated account compromise attacks. One simple setting stops almost every thief in their tracks. Why do we leave the second gate open? The greatest threat to your digital life isn't a supercomputer guessing your password. It is your own instinct to follow the rules when someone official tells you there is a problem. The next time you get an urgent message, stop. Close the app entirely. Go to the official website yourself to log in. You are staring at a photo you just posted on your phone. It is a vault with a single invisible door. But this time, when a stranger knocks, you won't just hand over the key.